Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Journey Crossroad. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, Vice White, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, tires, P225/55R19 BSWAS Touring, STD, Quick Order Package 22S included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP light gray accent stitching, front-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.